Hello, my dear children. You are with Mrs. Srilata. In my previous video, I'd explained the format of notice writing. Here I am going to explain the format of email writing. Email or electronic mail refers to a process of exchanging digital information across internet or other computer networks. Over the past some decades, the phenomenon usually referred to as the cyber boom has swept across the globe, changing the functioning of the world. Due to this great change, people across the globe have started switching to electronic mail. Presently, emails are arguably the best way of communication with great scope. We are going to follow the format of email which is given in our Total English book. So children, please take out your book and follow the instructions which I am going to give you. Email. Emails vary in formality depending on how well one knows the reader and what is one's status in relation to the reader. So there are three types of emails: formal, semi-formal and informal. Like formal letter, semi-formal the letters to acquaintance, and informal letter the same way. There are three types of emails: formal, semi-formal and informal. So email messages consist of two major sections: header consisting of sender, receiver, subject, date and time; body, which contains a message. It can be formal or informal depending on the purpose. And the body of an email follows the same rules as that of a letter, in both the cases formal and informal. So let us see what is the format of an email. 2. The first part, the beginning. To whom you are writing. A complete email address of the person to whom you are writing, and the email address should be in small letters. Then comes the subject in a very short form, in few words, as you write in formal letters. Then comes the salutation. Salutation will be according to the person to whom you are writing. Here are some guidelines for the salutation. If your email is formal, you can write Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Mr. Ghosh, Dear Dr. Ghosh. Avoid writing Doctor and Miss together. Both the title together you are not supposed to write. Then comes the opening sentences, and this format I am going to explain with an example. Usually you have seen that your question number 3 in your question paper is notice writing and email writing, and you are asked to convert the question of notice into email. Whatever question comes for notice writing, the same question you are asked to convert into email. So I am going to take up the same example where I explain, which I explained in the notice writing. That is about the inter-school debate competition. So write an email to the principal of a neighboring school informing her of the event and requesting her to send a team to participate. This is your question. About the debate competition, you are asking the neighboring school principal to send a team of that school to your school to participate in the debate competition. The first is to. No need to write the word to. You can write directly the email address, email ID. Then what is the competition? Inter-school debate competition, that's a subject. Salutation, Dear Madam. Our school is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. As a part of the celebration, we are hosting a series of competitions and we are beginning with War of Words and inter-school debate competition. So, what is the occasion? 50th anniversary of the school. There you are going to conduct an inter-school debate competition. It will be held on 8th December 2017. According to you, you can write the date. From 9 a.m. till 12 noon. So, date you have given and time also. And venue in the Centenary Hall of St. Hilda School. That's a school. You can write your school's name. So, please do send your senior debate team to participate in the event. The topic will be given to the participants an hour before the start of the competition. They may bring their laptops for use during the preparation time. We look forward to your school's participation in the competition. Thanking you, even if you don't write thanking you, no problem. Yours faithfully, Y capital, there is no apostrophe after R, faithfully F small, comma. Your name with surname and your rank. And put this whatever you have written, everything in column. In a box you have to put. That is also comes under the format of the email. So same way, so many examples have been given in your Total English book. Children, please go through that and revise. Thank you.